Hello viewers, this is Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Tech. This video I'm going to talking with you about how you can turn your Android mobile phone in the iPhoneX theme there, and it's working really smooth like a butter, and after using this here you will get an awesome feeling like an iPhone feeling there. And here I have get a lot of fun with this, as my mobile phone looks like iPhone but it's not an iPhone, so I can turn out this mobile phone as an iPhone for something age. So how you can do this? Without further delay, I should start this video. Before that here guys, I request you please subscribe my channel to get this type of most interesting topics here in the YouTube. And if you do so still now, then this video it's really dedicated for you. So here I have just turned out this mobile phone in the Android version operating system here, and here I'll show you guys how I do this. So first of all, you need to go to the Play Store in the Google Play, and from here you need to search iPhoneX launcher, and here it is. This is the app here, the iPhoneX launcher OS 12 iLauncher. And after that, going to here, you will see that here this is the rating is 4.2, but it's awesome and it deserves 5-star here. And here it is download more than 10 million here. It's awesome. So now go to here to install this launcher in your mobile phone, and here I'll come back again guys after just installing this in my mobile phone. So here it's already installed here, and now I need to open it there. Now click on the open here, and here it's launching the iPhoneX launcher in your mobile phone. Now click on the get started from here, and here you can select the themes art from here. And after that, here it is. Now click on the OK from here, and now you need to add some permission here, and just on this permission here click on the allow to get the allow in the notification access in your mobile phone. Now click on the OK again, and here you will get another app with usage access here. You need to give the accessibility here. This is the iPhoneX launcher is off, but all the other are on here, and you need to on this also from here. And here it is. Now go to the back from here, and here all the things are done from here. Now just swipe down to search, swipe up for the again, and from here all things are done from here. And here it is. It looks like sounds like as an iPhoneX here, and you will feel as the iPhoneX launcher here. And here it is. This is the bar here, and here all the apps are here, and from here you can change up your themes up there. And here after just finishing it, you see that all the things looks like it here. And here it just change the top navigation bar here, and whenever you just slightly down here, it will see you the real notification bar is here. But here however you will see it there, all the things are as a fake is there. And after that, whenever you go to the settings there, it will looks like your original Android phone, the real Android phone versions are there, but here in the back it looks like here. Now from here you need to find out this iPhoneX launcher iPhoneX settings from here, and here you will get an awesome thing is the annoying iPhoneX notch. You will get a notch. Go to the open settings from here, and you need to on this iPhoneX launcher from here too. You need to just give all the permissions are there. And now go to the iPhoneX settings from here, and here you will get an option, the annoying iPhoneX notch here. If you just checked out it there, that time you will get a notch there, and here you guys can use this notch here by default if your mobile phone haven't any notch here in the big screen. As my mobile phone have a big notch, that time I don't want to use this notch here, so I just checked off it from there. And here from you can select the desktop mode here, the status bar, the position here, the position indicator, show level, and the color in the background is the background for desktop. And from here you can select the colors are there, transparency, whatever are there. and from here you can select it there as it is. Now go to the back and show and see it however it looks like, and here it is the layer it will show looks like that. And from here now I go to my iPhoneX launcher from here again, and here I just make the background color as a transparent from here, and now from here go to the scroll effect here, then how much it will be as a scroll effect, and from here you can see that how it will be in the scroll effecting there. And now here it is, it's okay from here. And now from here you can select a wallpaper from here, the Galaxy wallpaper, everything are there. As I say, I want to apply this wallpaper here, just set both here, and that means it will be as a home screen and the lock screen too. And here it looks like the slide to unlock, and it looks like that. And after that here you will get your default the lock screen here too. And after that here now go to back to the wallpaper from here, and here you can select the app locker from here too. So here it is, that is the very ending of this video. I guys recommend you if you want, then you can use this theme, the launcher, in your mobile phone to make your Android mobile phone a new feeling here. So here it is, that's it from me guys. I hope that it's very an awesome theme for you, and you should use this theme in your mobile phone. And guys, if you just like this theme, then I recommend you to use this here in your mobile phone. And if you guys get interesting things from here in this video, then I request you please give a thumbs up this video, and for that guys I request you please subscribe my channel. Waiting for the next video to meet with you guys again. So till to the end, I wish you be well. Thanks for watching this video.